Okay, last one of the haul today is Lattafa Elder Maknoon. Supposed to be a smoky version of Aventus, which I need another Aventus clone, or Aventus style fragrance. Like I need a hole in the head. But the thing with most of Aventus itself lately and the clones and the inspired by, they all smell very, very, very similar. So I'm kind of hoping this will give me a little bit of a twist on it. More smoke than, because most of them are green and pineapple with a hint of smoke. I'm kind of hoping this one gives me more smoke. It's actually the one I'm excited the most for next to You Are Drugged. Because I want it to be a little different. We shall see though. We shall see. I'm not wanting a complete Aventus dupe. I want it to be a little different. That bottle style with that thing. I got one of these Al Macoons before. I forget what it was, but it was not nice. There's that Club de Nuit style cap. So yeah, we'll find out here. We'll find out right now. Definitely pick up the Aventus pineapple. Mostly, yeah, Club de Nuit, Aventus kind of vibe. I'm not picking up a lot of the smoke. More of that green and pineapple, like I said. But I mean, again, paper and time. We will see. We will see. So that's kind of it for the first impressions. I'm going to give them an hour or so to calm down. And then we'll come back and see if they've developed any. All right, guys. Peace, love, be good to each other, be good to yourselves.